Imagine having a tablet that combines top-tier performance, stunning visuals, and an array of productivity tools in one sleek package. That's precisely what the iQOO Pad 2 Pro promises. But here's the real kicker. It's powered by the Dimensity 9300 Plus chip, making it one of the most powerful Android tablets. In this review, we're exploring what makes the Pad 2 Pro stand out in a crowded market, and all the features that could make it your next favorite gadget. We've got a lot to unpack, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. First impressions matter, and the iQOO Pad 2 Pro certainly makes a strong one. From the moment you pick it up, the premium feel is undeniable. The tablet sports a sleek, matte metallic finish that looks great and feels sturdy and well-built. It is available in 3 stunning colors: silver, blue, and gray. The back panel and the middle frame are seamlessly integrated, giving it a solid and refined appearance. Measuring just 6.64 meters in thickness and weighing about 679 grams, the Pad 2 Pro balances being lightweight enough to carry around comfortably and sturdy enough to feel durable. Despite its large 13-inch display, it's surprisingly easy to handle. Speaking of the display, the iQOO Pad 2 Pro features a nearly bezel-less design with an impressive 89% screen-to-body ratio. This maximizes the screen real estate and enhances the immersive viewing experience. The tablet's well-placed buttons and ports are located on the sides. It also includes a USB-C port for charging and data transfer, and a magnetic connector for attaching accessories like the iQOO Smart Touch Keyboard 2 Pro. But design isn't just about looks, it's also about functionality. The iQOO Pad 2 Pro incorporates a clever thermal management system with a 3-dimensional heat dissipation structure. Now, the iQOO Pad 2 Pro display is nothing short of spectacular, setting a new benchmark for tablets in its class. With a massive 13-inch screen, this tablet ensures that every visual experience is immersive. First off, let's talk resolution. The Pad 2 Pro sports a 3.1K display, 3096 x 2064 pixels, translating to ultra-crisp and clear visuals. The display also supports a 144 Hz refresh rate, which means smoother scrolling, better responsiveness, and a more fluid gaming experience. Coupled with a 240 Hz touch sampling rate, every swipe, tap, and gesture feels incredibly responsive. Color accuracy is another area where the iQOO Pad 2 Pro excels. It supports P3 wide color gamut and 10-bit color depth, allowing it to display up to 1.07 billion colors. This results in vibrant, true-to-life colors that make photos, videos, and games look stunning. The tablet also boasts a peak brightness of 900 nits, ensuring that the screen remains visible even in bright outdoor conditions. Additionally, it supports HDR10, enhancing the dynamic range of your content for richer contrasts and more detailed highlights and shadows. The Pad 2 Pro also takes care of your eyes with its Night Owl Sleep Eye Protection System and low blue light certification, ensuring that prolonged use won't be harmful to your eyes. Another thoughtful design choice is the screen's 3.2 aspect ratio. This ratio is particularly beneficial for productivity tasks, as it allows more vertical space for reading documents, browsing websites, and multitasking with split-screen modes. The iQOO Pad 2 Pro doesn't just excel in visual performance and delivers an impressive audio experience, making it a well-rounded device for multimedia consumption. Equipped with an 8-speaker panoramic acoustic system, this tablet is designed to provide high-quality sound that complements its stunning display. The tablet supports several advanced audio features and technologies. For instance, it includes Super Audio 5.0 sound effects, which enhance the overall audio experience by amplifying details and expanding the dynamic range, such as footsteps in games. For users who enjoy watching movies or streaming videos, the tablet's audio system also supports Dolby Atmos, providing a more immersive and cinematic sound experience. Under the hood, the iQOO Pad 2 Pro is powered by the cutting-edge Dimensity 9300 Plus processor, a true powerhouse in mobile chipsets. This flagship SoC features a full large-core CPU architecture with 4 Cortex-X4 supercores clocked at 3.4 GHz and 4 Cortex-A720 large cores at 2.0 GHz. This combination ensures top-tier performance across various tasks, from intensive gaming to seamless multitasking. Up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM is paired with the Dimensity 9300 Plus, ensuring that the tablet can handle multiple applications running simultaneously without any hiccups. The storage options are equally impressive, with configurations of up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, providing lightning-fast data transfer speeds and ample space for all your apps, games, and media. Benchmark tests put the iQOO Pad 2 Pro in a league of its own among Android tablets. It consistently scores over 2 million points on the AnTuTu benchmark, showcasing its superior processing power. In real usage, this translates to incredibly smooth performance, whether you're editing videos, playing high-end games, or switching between several demanding applications. In CPU performance tests using Geekbench 6, the tablet scores 2210 points in single-core and 7299 points in multi-core tests, indicating its superior processing power compared to many other tablets on the market. Speaking of gaming, the iQOO Pad 2 Pro is a gamer's delight. It supports a 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring that even the most action-packed games run smoothly. For instance, in Genshin Impact, running at 60 frames per second (FPS) on ultra-high settings, the iQOO Pad 2 Pro maintains an average frame rate of 59.6 FPS over a 30-minute session. The power consumption during this period averages around 9.6 W, and the device's temperature remains under control thanks to its advanced cooling system. Similarly, in Honor of Kings, the tablet delivers an average frame rate of 119.8 FPS on the highest settings. The performance remains stable throughout extended gaming sessions, with no noticeable frame drops or lag. In PUBG Mobile, set to HDR high-definition graphics and 90 FPS mode, the iQOO Pad 2 Pro averages 89.6 FPS over 30 minutes. The tablet's temperature remains comfortable, and the battery consumption is efficient, ensuring long gaming sessions without interruptions. The iQOO Pad 2 Pro runs on the latest version of Origin OS 4, a custom operating system that offers a seamless and user-friendly experience tailored for tablets. Origin OS 4 brings a host of enhancements and features. One of the standout features is its AI capabilities to enhance productivity and user convenience through various smart features. For instance, the AI note creation tool helps with tasks such as writing, summarizing, and brainstorming. You can ask it to polish your text, generate ideas, or even create visual content based on your descriptions, making it a powerful tool for both work and study. The interface is designed for multitasking. The iQOO Pad 2 Pro supports multi-window and split-screen modes, and the apps are automatically adjusted to make the best use of the tablet's expansive display, offering a better layout and more efficient use of screen real estate. For instance, when using apps like WPS Office or Adobe Lightroom, the interface is intuitively designed to provide easy access to tools and features, enhancing your productivity. Origin OS 4 also excels in connectivity and device integration. The iQOO Pad 2 Pro supports a feature called Vivo Universal Viewer, which allows seamless integration with other devices in the Vivo ecosystem. This includes features like remote control of your PC or Mac, cross-screen collaboration, and file sharing between devices. These capabilities ensure that your tablet can easily fit into your existing workflow, whether you're using it in conjunction with a smartphone, laptop, or desktop computer. Origin OS 4 offers a range of customization options to personalize your tablet experience. From custom wallpapers and themes to widget support and home screen layouts, you can tweak the interface to match your preferences and workflow. For connectivity, the iQOO Pad 2 Pro supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.2, and a range of accessories designed to enhance productivity and usability, such as the iQOO Smart Touch Keyboard 2 Pro. This keyboard connects via a magnetic connector, ensuring a stable and low-latency connection. It features a professional key design with a 6-row, 79-key layout, including dedicated shortcut keys for Windows and Mac systems. The keyboard also includes a large touchpad, providing a laptop-like experience for efficient navigation and multitasking. Another essential accessory is the iQOO Pencil Air Stylus. This stylus is designed for precision and comfort, featuring a slender body and low latency for smooth writing and drawing. It supports wireless magnetic charging, so you can easily attach it to the side of the tablet when not in use. Moving to the camera system, the iQOO Pad 2 Pro has an 8MP front camera and a 13MP rear camera. The front camera is perfect for video calls and online meetings, delivering clear and sharp images. It supports various enhancements such as face beautification and HDR, ensuring you look your best even in challenging lighting conditions. The rear 13MP camera is equally impressive, providing high-resolution photos and videos. It supports autofocus, HDR, and various shooting modes, including panorama, cinema, and time-lapse. The camera's performance is particularly notable in well-lit environments, capturing vibrant colors and fine details with ease. The Pad 2 Pro supports up to 4K resolution at 30 FPS for video recording. One of the standout features of the iQOO Pad 2 Pro is its impressive battery life, powered by a colossal 11,500 mAh battery. This battery capacity is among the largest you'll find in tablets within this price range. In practical usage scenarios, the iQOO Pad 2 Pro excels. During typical activities such as browsing the web, watching videos, and handling productivity tasks, the battery lasts an entire day. Specifically, in continuous video playback tests, the tablet kept going for approximately 17 hours of offline 1080p video or 15 hours of online streaming before needing a recharge. The battery performance remains impressive for gamers. In a high-demand gaming session with Genshin Impact running at 60 frames per second on high settings, the tablet consumed about 10% of its battery life in half an hour, showcasing its efficiency even under heavy loads. Charging the iQOO Pad 2 Pro is equally efficient, thanks to its support for 66W fast charging. This feature allows the massive battery to be recharged swiftly. From a near-empty state, the tablet can be brought back to full charge in just over 90 minutes. iQOO Pad 2 Pro positions itself as a premium yet competitively priced option in the tablet market, offering high-end features and performance that rival top-tier devices. Starting with pricing, the Pad 2 Pro is available in several configurations. The base model, equipped with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, starts at approximately $499, offering excellent value without breaking the bank. For those requiring more power and storage, the mid-tier option comes with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, priced around $599. At the top end, the flagship model boasts 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, retailing for about $699. If you're ready to take your tablet experience to the next level, click the link below and grab your iQOO Pad 2 Pro on AliExpress now. Don't miss out on these incredible deals.